watch the video.
Yes, great. What is it about?
It's about school. It's time for school in the UK.
Okay, let's watch.
My name's Avi. I'm from the UK. Here's my school. This is my teacher. And this is my classroom. The desks are white. The chairs are yellow, red, orange, green, grey, and purple. This is my teacher and the students in my class. These are my friends. This is the playground. Let's play. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is fun. Finished. Let's go home now.
Tell me about your classroom, Tia.
Well, the door is green, the board is white, the clock is red and white.
In my classroom, the clock is orange and yellow.
Tell me about your classroom.